ISRO is offering 100% free data analytics online course with certificate. ISRO's online course with certificate. So, if you have ever dreamed of learning data analytics with space tech twist, this is one for you. I'll walk you through these things like what the course is all about, who can apply, benefits and learning outcome, how to enroll this step by step, tips and key takeaways. So stay with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe here. So this is the course which I'm planning to talk about is what remote sensing data analytics for crop production forecasting, which is actually scheduled on from June 16 to 20. Okay, so you have to check for the instructions, like how you can just go ahead with everything. So if you just click on this hyphen, like this button, you can see it's an online registration form. Okay, so just click OK. So it will take you to the online registration form. Before that, you have to just go ahead and click on this general guidelines. Okay, so let me just open the general guidelines to show you like what it is exactly, who should exactly do this and why you should do this, everything. So let us just open that guideline. So this is what, okay, so you have to register your details. You have to activate your email ID. Okay, all approved participants will receive the approval email ID, login credentials and everything. So this is what you have to see, and you can also see the course delivery. That is, it is a e-class, which is an online class. Okay, and that attendance is marked as present after 50% of the duration of total session time. Okay, so you have to be there for the 50% at least, and you can find the status of the assessment. Online examinations will happen if you wanted to pass this exam. So all the participants who are meeting the minimum attendance criteria will be allowed for online examination grade. The examination will be conducted through online. Date and time of the examination will be intimated to you before 2 weeks, and everything will be multiple choice questions, statement based. Random questions will be displayed in the participants, all these things. Okay, issues of certification, certification validations, and technical support. All these things are given here. So before you just apply for this, what you should know is what is who can apply for this. So undergraduate, postgraduate students from any discipline can apply. Working professionals can apply. Beginners, like no prior experience are required, and faculty, researchers, government employees also can join this. Okay, so what is the requirement is what you should have a stable internet connection, valid email and phone number, minimum attendance, usually like 50 to 70% to earn the certificate. And why this program is why this course will be the game changer for you, because it's totally free, no hidden fees. It's a prestigious certification from ISRO IIRS, which is a great for your CV. Hands-on project with satellite geospatial data set, expert instructor from ISRO or industry, flexible learning, like you can study from anywhere, anytime, networking opportunity and powerful resume boost. Okay, so what you will learn, you all are very eager about what you will be learning, is what practical Python coding for data science, building ML modules, like to analyze the satellite data, and using GIS tools for real world application, handling the projects in domains like agriculture and the urban planning. So you will be getting all these certifications, and also merit certificates are there, like award based on the performance in exams and the assignments. All certificates are government recognized and issued via ISRO IIRS. So let's see how to apply. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to apply. So once if you click this online registration form, it will redirect you to this. So you have to fill your name based on your 10th certificate. So I'm just filling my name. You have to enter the email ID. So I'm just entering my email ID here. Okay, and you have to confirm the email ID. Okay, and you have to give the password. So the password should be one lowercase, one uppercase, one number, one special character, at least 8 characters. So I'm just going with the password. Okay, so make sure that you have one capital letter, one small letter, and you have to enter the captcha which is displayed here. So I'm just typing E3. Okay, it is also a case sensitive, so you have to give the proper thing here. So once you have entered, so you can see congratulations, your registration has been completed, and you have to check your email ID. So let us just check the email ID. So yes, I got my email mentioning like thank you very much to like please confirm if your email ID by clicking here. So you have to activate your email ID. Okay, and if you are unable to activate the above link, so you can just select this, click this particular, and it is expired. So now you can just log in with your username and the password. So let me just go ahead again. If you just click in this home, you can see okay, you can find this already registered. Okay, so just click on this already registered. You can just go ahead and give your email ID and the password and what is displayed here in the captcha. Okay, and then click login. So now it is ready to go. So you have to select the course name. So you have various courses here, right? So you have to select the course name, which course you wanted to go with. It's a remote sensing data analytics for crop production. And it's a whether it's an individual registration or the registration to ISRO nodal center. So it's an individual registration. And basic qualification, undergraduate and postgraduate, any year it may be. And basic knowledge, because here they haven't mentioned anything, so I'm just going with the not applicable. How the course content of this course will be useful for your professional career. So you can just write whatever is okay, whatever is feasible, and whatever you feel like it is really suits my thing. Okay, so this is your remote sensing, so you can say how it is actually useful for you. Okay, so let me just give here like how this course content is useful for me. So I have typed this. Okay, so then just click next. So it will take you to the next one, which is a personal detail. So what is your salutation? So you can just go ahead with what is your salutation, your father name, okay, your date of birth. Give the correct details because you are applying for the government course. Okay, so you have to enter all the details clearly. Um, so what is the city? Everything, and then click save and continue. So give the proper details here, and what is the highest graduation. um okay, and what is the university. Got it. And when did you pass it, like when did you pass this exam. Click save and continue. And finally, employment status. You can say like what it is, like working professional or what. Okay, so you can just mention something like this. um and you can say the organization. Give the proper details. Okay, so you can just choose the photo of you, so that give the proper photo, like recent photo something. mm, okay, and also identification proof, if you have any, you can just go ahead with that. So I'm just going with my Aadhaar. And then if you want to so they are asking for the Aadhaar number, so it's not mandatory, but still if you give that, it will be an added thing, like they don't want to go and cross check that, right? So you can just give the number if you are really okay with that. Okay, so you can just go ahead. Okay, click save and continue. So it will go to the next one. And finally, you can see all these things. Okay, so where it is this nodal, you don't want to care about because they are offering this. And you can find the complete details of everything and then click apply. Are you sure you won't be able to revert this? Once you are done, just click OK, then your application will be processed and it will be submitted. Okay, so it is showing like what is the successfully submitted, your registration number, and also it is showing the course details for you. Hope you might have received that in your email as well. Okay, so you can just simply click your print page and click save where your data will be saved. Okay, or if you want to take a screenshot and save it for you, you can also do that. Okay, so once if you go to the application status, you can find what is the application. Your status is approved. It is showing that your status is approved. So you have submitted. You can see here that congratulations, your applications with registration number is active. You're logging attend the training program or as below. So it is also showing the thing. Okay, so course guideline, just go through the course guideline. All the best for you all. Just log in and register for this course. This course will be definitely useful for you. And certification details, as I told, you should attend the complete course at least for 50 to 70% of attendance is required. Okay, and then I have also showed you how to apply for this. And attend regularly, engage with the exercises, network with the people, and also highlight the certificate in your LinkedIn and your resume. So this ISRO course is a launchpad into data analytics with a geospatial focus that is 100% free and elite level certification. Whether you are a student or you are a professional or a total newbie, this is a chance you don't want to miss. If you're ready to upskill with ISRO, hit the like button, subscribe, and check the description for the link to register. Feel free to drop your questions below. I'll be happy to clear them up and see you in the next video. Share this video with everyone, those who will be really useful for this, useful, they'll find useful about this particular course and it will be useful for them too. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.